Hello people, this is Sakshi and welcome again to the channel Pianisticious. For those who are new here, I'm a first year BSc nursing student at GMC Bhopal. In this video, we'll be going to know about the complete syllabus for PNST. PNST का syllabus आपकी NCERT में ही included है, which means कि NCERTs में जो भी chapter mention है, वो सभी आपके PNST के syllabus में है. But some of you have asked and requested me to make this video, and here it is. This video will be in 3 sections, which is firstly we will discuss about the class 11 and 12 chapters of physics section, then moving to the chemistry and lastly for the biology section. So let's start with the physics section. आगे आने वाली स्लाइड्स में सभी चैप्टर हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश दोनों में मेंशन्ड है, तो यू कैन टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट फॉर योर फ्यूचर रेफरेंसेस. सो the physics chapters are chapter number 1 electric charges and field, वैद्युत आवेश तथा क्षेत्र. chapter number 2 is electrostatic potential and capacitance, which is स्थिर वैद्युत विभव तथा धारिता. the chapter number 3 is current electricity means विद्युत धारा. the chapter number 4 is moving charges and mechanism, which is गतिमान आवेश और चुंबक तत्व. Chapter number 5 is magnetism and matter, चुंबकत्व and द्रव्य. Chapter number 6 is electromagnetic induction, which is वैद्युत चुंबकीय प्रेरण. Chapter number 7 is alternating currents, which is प्रत्यावर्ती धारा. Chapter number 8 is electromagnetic waves, which is वैद्युत चुंबकीय तरंगे. Chapter number 9 is ray optics and optical instruments, which is किरण प्रकाशिकी एवं प्रकाशिक यंत्र. Chapter number 10 is wave optics, which is तरंगे प्रकाशिकी. Chapter number 11 is dual nature of radiation and matter, विकरण तथा द्रव्य की द्वैत प्रकृति. Chapter number 12 is atom, which is परमाणु. Chapter number 13 is nuclei, which is नाभिक. Chapter number 14 is semiconductor electronic materials, devices and simple circuits. This is अर्धचालक, इलेक्ट्रॉनिकी, पदार्थ युद्धति तथा सरल परिपथ. The last chapter is chapter number 15, which is communication system या संचार व्यवस्था. After this comes our 11th chapter of physics. The first chapter is physical world. The second chapter is units and measurement. Motion in a straight line is the third chapter, and the fourth chapter is motion in a plane. Chapter number 5 is laws of motion, which is गति के नियम. Chapter number 6 is energy and power. Moving to the chapter number 7, which is system of particles and rotational motion. Chapter number 8 is gravitation. Chapter number 9 is mechanical properties of solid. Chapter number 10 is mechanical properties of fluid. Chapter number 11 is thermal properties of matter. Moving to the 12th chapter, which is thermodynamics, and chapter number 13 is kinetic energy. Chapter number 14 is oscillation and 15 is waves. After this comes our second subject, which is chemistry. In the next slide, we will get to know about the class 11th chemistry chapter and then the class 12 chemistry chapter. Here comes the class 11th chemistry section. Chapter number 1 is some basic concepts of chemistry, which is रसायन विज्ञान के कुछ मूल अवधारणाएं. Chapter number 2 is structure of atom, परमाणु की संरचना. Chapter number 3 is classification of elements and periodicity in properties, तत्वों का वर्गीकरण एवं गुण धर्मों की अवधारणा. Chapter number 4 is chemical bonding and molecular structure, which is रासायनिकी आणविक संरचना. Chapter number 5 is states of matter, द्रव्य की आवश्यकताएं, आबंधन. और chapter number 6 is thermodynamics, which is ऊष्मागतिकी. Chapter number 7 is equilibrium, which is साम्यावस्था. Chapter number 8 is redox reaction, which is अपचयोपचय अभिक्रियाएं. Chapter number 9 is hydrogen. Chapter number 10 is the S block elements. Chapter number 11 is the P block elements. Chapter number 12 is organic chemistry, some basic techniques and principles. कार्बनिक रसायन, कुछ आधारभूत सिद्धांत तथा तकनीकें. Chapter number 13 is hydrocarbons. Chapter number 14 and the last chapter is environmental chemistry, which is पर्यावरणीय रसायन. Moving to the class 12th chemistry chapters, these are chapter number 1, the solid state, ठोस अवस्था. The chapter number 2, which is solution, विलयन. Chapter number 3, electrochemistry, which is वैद्युत रसायन. Chapter number 4, chemical kinetics, रासायनिकी बलघातिकी. Chapter number 5, which is surface chemistry या पृष्ठ रसायन. Chapter number 6 is general principle and process of isolation of element. मीन्स तत्वों के निष्कर्षण के सिद्धांत एवं प्रक्रम। चैप्टर नंबर 7 is the P block elements. Chapter number 8 is the D and F block elements. Chapter number 9 is coordination and compound. Upas Hansiyojan Yogic. Chapter number 10 is haloalkanes and haloarenes. Chapter number 11 is alcohol, phenol and ether. 12th chapter is aldehydes, ketone and carboxylic acids. And 14th chapter is biomolecules. The chapter number 15, which is the last second chapter, is Bahulak or polymers. The chapter number 16 is the last chapter of this chemistry section, which is chemistry in the everyday life या दैनिक जीवन में रसायन. Now here comes the third section of this video. This is biology. The 11th class book contains 22 chapters divided into 5 units, and then the 12th class, which have 16 chapters at all, divided again into 5 units. So let's have a look into it. Class 11th biology section. Chapter number 1, the living world, which is जीव जगत. Chapter number 2 is biological classification, जीव जगत का वर्गीकरण. Chapter number 3 is plant kingdom, वनस्पति जगत. 4th one is animal kingdom, which is प्राणी जगत. Chapter number 5th is morphology of flowering plants, which is पुष्पी पादपों की आकारिकी. Chapter number 6 is anatomy of flowering plants, which is पुष्पी पादपों का शरीर. Chapter number 7 is structural organization in animals, which is प्राणियों में संरचनात्मक संगठन. The chapter 8 is cell, the unit of life, और कोशिका जीवन की इकाई. Chapter number 9 is biomolecule, जैव अणु. Chapter number 10 is cell cycle and cell division, कोशिका चक्र और कोशिका विभाजन. Chapter number 11 is transport in plants, पौधों में परिवहन. Chapter number 12 is mineral nutrition, खनिज पोषण. Chapter number 13 is photosynthesis in higher plants, उच्च पादपों में प्रकाश संश्लेषण. The chapter number 14 is respiration in plants, पादप में श्वसन. Chapter number 15 is growth and development, which is वृद्धि एवं परिवर्धन. Chapter number 16 is digestion and absorption, पाचन एवं अवशोषण. Chapter number 17 is breathing and exchange of gases, श्वास and गैसों का विनिमय. Chapter number 18 is body fluid and circulation, शरीर द्रव्य तथा परिसंचरण. Chapter number 19 is excretory products and their elimination, which is उत्सर्जी उत्पाद एवं उनका निष्कासन. Chapter number 20, which is locomotion and movement और गमन एवं संचलन. Chapter number 21 is neural control and coordination, तंत्रिकीय नियंत्रण एवं समन्वय. Chapter number 22 और last chapter is chemical coordination and integration, which is रसायनिकी समन्वय तथा एकीकरण. The class 12 biology NCERT chapters are chapter number 1 reproduction in organism, जीवों में जनन. Chapter number 2 is sexual reproduction in flowering plants, पुष्पी पादपों में लैंगिक प्रजनन. The chapter number 3 is human reproduction, which is मानव जनन. Chapter number वंशागति का आणविक आधार. Chapter number 7 is evolution, which is विकास. Chapter number 8 is human health and disease, reproductive health, which is जनन स्वास्थ्य. Chapter number 5 is principle of inheritance and variation, वंशागति और विविधता के सिद्धांत. Chapter number 6 is molecular basis of inheritance. 4 is मानव स्वास्थ्य तथा रोग. Chapter number 9 is strategies of enhancement in food production, which is खाद्य उत्पाद में वृद्धि की कार्यनीति. Chapter number 10 is microbes in human welfare, मानव कल्याण में सूक्ष्म जीव. Chapter number 11 is biotechnology, which is principle and process, which is जैव प्रौद्योगिकी सिद्धांत व प्रक्रम. Chapter number 12 is biotechnology and its application, जैव प्रौद्योगिकी एवं उसके उपयोग. Chapter number 13 is organism and population, which is जीव और समष्टियाँ. Chapter number 14 is ecosystem, which is परितंत्र. Chapter number 15 is biodiversity and conservation, जैव विविधता एवं संरक्षण. Chapter number 16 is environmental issue, पर्यावरण के मुद्दे. So here in this video we have just finished the name of these chapters. इन chapters को complete करने की duty आपकी है. So let's start your preparation now and do your best for your preparations. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and feel free to ask any questions in the comment section. Do hit the like button and share this with your friends. This is Sakshi and I will catch you in the next video.